Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's in JJ. Today we're gonna tell you all about what you need to know on what is FTX token, and of course from there you can, like, I don't know, make two times of your money, or you some people can be like, oh, I'm gonna be a millionaire by buying these tokens. So you want to know more, it is precious information over here. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, before I jump into the topic, I'd like to tell you that I have a Discord channel which I basically host for my YouTube community. So if you guys are interested, join the channel, and from there we can jump into the topic of what is this FTX token all about. So over here, I'm just going to pull out an article from Nasdaq itself. So if you know what is Nasdaq, I mean, the name is big enough. It's a US exchange, and after that, from there, they have made an article about what is FTX token FTT and should you buy it. And of course, once it's listed over here, I would say just buy it. Okay, no financial advice, but of course, I'm just gonna do some basic reading over here. I'm gonna link this article down below. Basically, what is this FTT token? It's a utility token on the FTX exchange. Basically, it's the token of this exchange called the FTX. And after that, I would say the FTX itself, it is kind of a big exchange. And of course, you can see over here, the benefits of it is whatever it says. And after, I'm just gonna basically let you know more about it later. And after that, you can see the market cap is around 6.4 billion on the 2nd of September upon writing this article, if I'm not wrong. And after that, from here you can a little bit background of what is FTX Exchange. Basically, we're gonna talk about it. So we hear the background, a little bit of background on FTX itself. Basically, it is founded by these two person, and after that, basically, it's a crypto star, basically 29 years old billionaire, co-founded a quantitative trading firm, basically blah blah blah. And after that, basically, this exchange itself was created by a few traders that came out together. They come out, and after that, from there, they created this platform called the FTX. And after that, their name of the token for the exchange itself is built by traders, and after that, from there, for traders. So this is their slogan: by traders, for traders. And after that, from there, the exchange itself, it will look something like this. And after that, it can be used on mobile as well, and I would say the security wise is quite secure. And of course, they have two type of platform. One is the FTX US, and after that, one is the FTX International. So if you are based in the US cities, you are based in the US or something like that, you cannot interact with the FTT token. Therefore, you cannot buy their precious utility token. Therefore, it is a sad thing. And after that, over here, we're gonna talk about what is so special about this token, what is the benefit of holding it, and I mean that you can earn some passive income by holding it. Serious. So over here, this is the FTT staking page itself. Basically, this is where you're gonna find all the information on how valuable it is. I mean, like, how do you benefit from holding this token. Is very simple. The minimum to start off with is 25 FTT token, just for your information. And of course, the benefit as per se, referral bonus become 28%. And after that, from there, your maker rebate itself is, there's no maker rebate for you basically. And after that, you can have this thing called a bonus vote. And of course, the vote is for you to basically vote for the exchange, basically like whatever growth that you want to, they are going to set to. And after that, yes or no, something like that. And of course, you can also receive airdrop increment of chances. And of course, you can have some free daily withdrawal of ERC20/Ethereum withdrawals. And of course, IEO ticket is 0 for 25. So if you want to upgrade yourself, you want to get some rebate or something like that, you need to have at least 150 of this FTT token. And of course, let's calculate over here. So for 25 FTT token, is going to cost you around 1.5k for this premium membership. And after that, if 150 is going to cost you around $8,000 just to get the second tier of this premium membership. So I would say that it is somehow valuable. And of course, the other potential is very simple over here. Can read maker rebate. You can have some free swag NFT that basically they will basically airdrop from time to time. And after that, from here, there's some bonus votes. They can get the votes to in their pool. Basically this is just the whole paragraph. I'm not going to read it out. And after that, from there, you can increase airdrop that I already mentioned about. Basically over here, they are right now offering this SRM airdrop. And after that, from here, away from blockchain fees, they can get a number of free Ethereum withdrawal per day. IEO ticket, basically all mentioned over here. And after that, over here, this is the free airdrops right now, which is the serum. Serum over here every week, bi-weekly itself is going to calculate. And after that, from there, you can receive your this airdrop staking rewards from FTT itself. And after that, right now, I'm going to tell you why is FTT so valuable. So over here, just by talking the value of FTT itself, right now it is ranked 28 on the coin market cap itself. And after that, if you want to compare it with some other exchanges, token like Binance is now at rank 4. And after that, we can scroll down even more, and after that, from here, we do not really see any exchanges coin. And after that, I would say that FTX itself is ranked 20 something. And after that, we can look at the top exchanges that is right now in the cryptocurrency space. Number 1 is Binance, number 2 is Coinbase definitely, and after that number 3 is FTX. And of course you can see that FTX right now has much more user base than Coinbase, but of course the volume wise itself, Coinbase have much more volume as of now lah. I would say in the future FTX definitely is gonna overcome Binance, Coinbase, after they settle the regulation stuff, and of course all those licensing and everything. So over here, why is it so valuable itself? You can look at this page itself. The FTX token itself, they're going to tell you the FTX token is the FTT token is a backbone of the FTX ecosystem. So you know that they have an ecosystem over here, but of course the ecosystem right now is just an exchange token, which you can basically, it's like a membership tier. Basically you buy FTT to have the sense of membership, and of course unlock this tier and all this benefit that FTX can provide. If you're going to use the exchange, you buy the token and it is going to basically be valuable to you. And of course why I would say it's much more valuable is basically the rebates that they're offering. This is the another type of fee structure that they're giving the VIP membership on basically all the scheme. I would say all the exchange are doing the similar scheme, and after that over here the FTT staking, yeah, basically I already mentioned it. So the valuability of this project, this token itself, it is this over here, the buy and burn program that they are doing. And after that you can see this is based off every week, and you can just see over here every week itself they are burning off millions of dollars just by buying back their token. And just imagine how much they are making per day, and after that you can just take this amount divided by 7 days, and this is how much they are making just based off 33% of the fees generated on FTX market. Just calculate all of this, and you must think about how much the exchange is making. And of course basically buying into a exchange token itself, yeah, it's like buying to the exchange stock somehow in a way like this in the cryptocurrency space. So number 2, 10% of the net additional of the backstop fund, basically they are this socialized gains is 10%. They are going to use it to buy back the token, and after that 5% of the fees earned from other users on the FTX platform. Maybe you want to talk about NFT option over here, the OTC or other leverage tokens or whatsoever. So over here you can see 33%. We just go and count the 33% of the fees being generated on FTX market. They use it to burn off all these tokens, basically buyback. So over here these are the transaction on the Ethereum network, which is proof of burn, I would say proof of buyback and burn. So over here you can see they are basically burning the token into this black hole address, which is true. And of course we can look at this function over here is the burn function. So over here this the black hole address itself has been receiving tons of FTT tokens that the exchange has sent over to burn, and after they can see the amount over here since the start of, basically let's look at it. So it is almost a year that they started burning the token itself, and after that I would say the supply wise itself is currently at this amount over here, 336 million. So it's only 1 year, then they have reduced their token by quite a lot. To be honest, I do not have the information on how much they have burnt in total already, but of course I would say that from time to time you can see every time they are burning off, it is based off the almost 100,000 an amount. So 100,000 is going to be burnt off every week, and after that from there eventually this token is going to get lesser and lesser in supply, and after that there comes the scarcity. And of course just think about basically I'm just going to jump into the opinion right now, and after that why you might want to basically hold the token itself. So over here they are quite smart on doing this program over here to stake, and after that you can get free withdrawals. So over here we know that if let's say you're interacting with the Ethereum ecosystem, and after that you are interacting with DeFi, most of the time you need to withdraw your funds from the exchange towards the ecosystem, the Ethereum network, and after that from there it's gonna easily cost you $20 to even $30 per transaction. And over here FTT, they are trying to benefit incentivize you for holding the token itself. So imagine that their token holder over here, we're gonna look at this over here. Where's the chart? So over here, imagine there's this weekly visit, just say around there is maybe let's say 5 million users on the platform, and after that maybe 50% of them wants to stake the token, and after that they stake the bare minimum itself. We're gonna just do a calculation. 5 million users times 25, the bare minimum, 125 million has been staked, and after that from there we can just look at the amount that they have. Just think about it, and after that from there you can just imagine how much it's going to worth if let's say 5 million of the users just take a bare minimum of 25, and after that you can see the other supply of amount which is going to be buyback and burnt off eventually. And of course if let's say the person like you or me who are really using the exchange for for your trading and after that for your withdrawal purposes, I would say that 25 itself is good, is more than good enough to receive this one free withdrawal. And after that, I believe that many users out there, they will basically buy, and after that just lock for the sake of this one withdrawal, you will just take the 25 FTT, and after that from there, this is going to cause the supply and demand thing to, yeah, basically the fundamentals. Over here, the supply for, I mean the demand for this 25 itself, there's only a limited amount of people that can buy and after that stake onto the platform to get this one withdrawal fee. Eventually this token is going to go up and after that become more and more expensive, so 25 itself nobody will buy it because it's gonna cost you like $1,000 just think about it. And after that, over here right now, it's already causing you $1,000, almost $500 just to stake 25. And after that, from there, imagine if let's say this coin itself double the amount. And of course, now we're gonna jump into the next thing that we want to talk about, is basically what can you expect on FTX token. So over here we can see that most of the exchanges out there has already been doing like their own blockchain, their own ecosystem. Like Binance itself, they come out with their Binance Smart Chain, and of course we can see FTX itself is, I would say it is not really not a new exchange, but I would say relatively younger than Binance itself, because Binance has a long history, and of course for FTX itself, they do not have a long history, but of course they have powerful backers. And after that, I would say the fundamentals of FTX is there already. And of course, to be honest, if let's say Binance is so successful running their own chain and stuff, if let's say FTX managed to overtake Coinbase one day, and after that from there become the second largest crypto exchange, do you think FTX is going to launch their own native token? I mean their own native blockchain? I believe so, yes they would. Why? Because right now you just look at it, on the ecosystem itself, they already support this thing called NFT. And after that, to be honest, this is not really not decentralized at all. And after that, right now it is for you to, whoever want to create an NFT itself, you can mint, and after that from there, this is by approval of their ecosystem. And of course eventually the backers over there understand that NFT is a very popular thing because of the NFT hype. Like one NFT can cost a few $1,000,000 just by buying a JPEG or something like that. So here they launched their own NFT thing, and after that, just think about, if imagine they have their own ecosystem similar to Binance, and after that they have the money, and they have the money to basically throw to developers to basically fund their new project by developing on their ecosystem. And imagine when that happens, they are, plus they are doing the buyback itself, they are always buying back tokens and burning off the token. Eventually, if let's say they want to come up with a whole new ecosystem, improve the whole ecosystem with a blockchain, a smart contract based platform on the FTX token itself, it definitely is going to boom. And after that, I would say it might even be like be the second Binance, or even overtake Binance in a way of their token itself. So you can see the supply of this is currently over here. And if you want to compare with Binance itself, right now Binance has around 100 million worth of supply. So it's already like half of it is already, comparing with FTT, it has a double of the supply. Just wait for them to keep burning. So every week they are burning like 1 million worth of 100,000 worth of their tokens. So by 10 weeks itself, they can burn 1 million. And after that, from there, so on and so forth. So eventually it's gonna get lesser and lesser. And after that, from there, yeah, you know how it works, supply and demand. So right now I'm gonna do the outro. So over here, if you are into the cryptocurrency space and you'll be interacting with Binance Smart Chain or other smart contract platform, basically you will receive airdrop from time to time, like ranging from $5 all the way to like, I don't know, $40,000. And after that, from there, you might think that you have struck the lottery or somehow, but of course do not get scammed by all these airdrops token. You might want to double check, and after that, from there, you can read on this article itself, how does this scam work. Just head over to the website airdropscams.com, and after that, from there, just have a good read. And after that, from there, if you have friends or family who are using the ecosystem, kindly send it to them, and of course prevent them from getting scammed. And I've come to the end of the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.